Today we are going to make a pair of earrings on the fly, on video. If I'm going to fail, I'm going to fail on video, from this pile of junk jewelry. This is jewelry that came in a giant jar that I got from my contact, my guy, who sells me junk jewelry. I have a video I have a few videos, I think, on me going through my jars and about my jars. But I thought it would be fun if we did an on-the-fly jewelry creation. So I think my goal is going to be to make some earrings. First up, we have this necklace. And you can see when I say junk, this one's broken. It's got a piece missing. But what I'm looking at here are the chains that are on each side. They're lovely. I think that they would make a nice pair of earrings, maybe with a little zhuzh to them. Then we have this. I actually am not sure what this is. It may have been a necklace. What I'm liking about these two is these little coins, and this drop chain right there, for this particular project. Then we have this bracelet, and it's, you know, very flexible, but I like this section, these little sections here. So maybe we can do something there. And then I have this. I think this was a necklace, broken again. But I like these individual pieces. They can come apart from each other. So, you know, do we want like one piece? I don't know. Let's go with this chain first. And what you're going to look for is, how are we going to get this detached? This might have, let me look here. Yep, it's got a break right there. So we're going to take our pliers and our other pliers. We're going to move it side to side, and it comes right apart. So there's a chain piece. Let's take this chain piece off. I'm going to put this aside. I don't see a need for it right this second. So we've got these cool chains. Let's take these dangly drops off here. I'll be honest, I feel like I could just take these drops off and it would be just a lovely earring by itself. This jump ring I'm going to have to cut. Just no big deal. Let's get them all off of here. So we still have this. Turn it this way, and it would be, could be put on something for a necklace, or maybe this way. We'll put that to the side too. Let's look at these. I mean, look at these guys. These are pretty fun. Let me see. I have some gold ear wires. I really feel like this could just be put on ear wire. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go wash these real quick, shine them up before I stick them on the ear wire. We'll be right back. Okay, so they're cleaned up. And you might be asking yourself, Jamie, why are there only 3? What what possibly could have happened to the fourth one? I don't know. Maybe I dropped it down the kitchen sink when I was washing it. It just slipped right down my sink. So now there are 3. Oh boy. So we're going to use these 2. This is a really easy project because I am literally, now I am going to check this. What I'm doing is just checking it for sharp edges. And there are none. There are no sharp edges. So we're going to, on the fly, let's think about it. I think we're going to use a jump ring question mark. Let me see. You know, I got these jump rings and they are literally supposed to be gold. But they look like silver. They are just not very gold-like. Do I have any more, guys? I'm looking. We're gonna use them. We're gonna go with it. They are a very light gold. Okay, I'm gonna use 2 jump rings. Make sure you open your jump ring the right way. I have a video on how to open a jump ring. It's super important. Side to side, not the ends don't go away from each other. Don't do that. So we are just going to put our jump ring through our top loop. Then we're going to close our jump ring. We're going to make sure that our ends meet. Then we're going to put a jump ring on the other one. Same thing. You're going to open them away from each other. Okay. Put that one on there. Close her up. Ends, gotta make sure that they meet. They do. We're gonna open our ear wire, place it on our jump ring. Then we're gonna close our jump ring very carefully. Look at that cute little earring. Okay, now we're going to do this one. And close it. Done. Told you, on the fly, out of junk, are these cute earrings. Are we focused? Yeah. Look at that. Are they nice? I'll put a picture up.